Hey, what's up guys? This week we're giving away a pair of rope gloves for recovery. You get to pick the size. Stay tuned to the end of the show to find out how you can win it.
Welcome to the Bonfire, everybody. I'm Dean.
I'm CT.
This is Sasquatch.
Or so they say.
We kind of just make this up as we go along. So we got some, oh wait, where's the dry
We
erase
have
board?
no easel.
Yeah, we have no easel.
With our show notes.
Yeah,
we just realized.
So we got this bright idea. And no teleprompter.
So let me just break here and go get the show notes and I'll be right back.
And the teleprompter.
So, Rooftop Tent Rally.
All
Tickets
right.
just went live. What happened?
Dude, epic time. Rooftop Tent Rally tickets are already sold out. We kind of knew that was going to happen with it being limited to 200 people. But just so you know, if in the future things change here in the Commonwealth of Virginia and restrictions are lifted, we will add more tickets. We will make posts. We will add as many tickets as we can. If it goes the other way and for some reason the event is canceled, all of you that bought tickets, we will do a full refund.
Rock on. So, products. A bunch of our products have been turned off on the website while we've been trying to catch back up, but we're gonna hopefully start turning some of those back on soon. Well, you got the details.
Very slowly turning the spigot back on. We're still dealing with some supply chain issues. We still have a lot of orders going on, which we are super appreciative of. Thank you everybody who's been super patient and understanding. We just didn't feel good about taking on new orders when we were pushing anywhere from a 3 to 5 week backlog. Those of you who have been longtime customers know our turnaround is usually a lot quicker than that. So we're gonna try to just slowly start turning certain products on that we have inventory of. So just kind of stay tuned. We'll probably make some posts on social media like, hey, this product is available or this product is available. Which speaking of, the Dometic recall is been taken care of. We do have a stocking order on Dometic fridges on the way. So as soon as those show up, we can hook you guys up with some of those iceless plug-in cooler thingies.
Rock on. So last week we released Radio Comms Part 3. Love you guys' comments on that one. We had a blast making that.
So in other news, coming up this Saturday, August 8th, is going to be the second virtual Overland Expo. A certain somebody was tapped to do a video for that. So I'll be doing a video called The 10 Essentials for the Novice Overlander. So yeah, so that's going on. A lot of other great classes, videos. Those of you who can, definitely log in when the videos are going live because the content creators and Expo staff will be in the comments and there'll be some live chat going on in the comments that kind of scroll next to the video. I was in the comments, even though I didn't do a video for the one in May. I was in the comments and it was fun to kind of like talk to people and you'll recognize a lot of familiar names and stuff like that. So check those out.
Coming August 8th, virtual Overland Expo. Love it.
Bam.
All right, so last week we asked you guys, what is the best way to grill? Is it propane? Is it charcoal? Is it wood?
Firm but with a little give. Yep, these are medium rare.
What if somebody wants theirs well done?
We ask them politely yet firmly to leave.
I will tell you what. So two things. One, the highest number of comments from you guys, bar none, of all of our Bonfire videos. It's actually right there rivaling the snarkiness going on in the Overlander Reacts video. Like we're talking, like there's over 60 comments. So this is great. This is what we love. This is what we want. So please bring your best memes, bring your comments and stuff like that. And we just thought it would be really cool to read some of them for you.
So sit back, relax, and let's start reading. So Ghost Rider JKU on YouTube said, when it comes to grilling, propane is for those who can't manage a good lump charcoal or wood fire. What is your rush? Slow down and enjoy the finer things in life. Propane is better than a microwave, but that's about it. Oh, you wound me.
Sean on YouTube said, charcoal and lump hardwood takes you to Flavor Town. If you're going to use a propane, turn in your man card and just use the microwave.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, 100%
Oh,
right
man,
there.
vicious. Tim Sparrow on YouTube said, wood when you're camping and overlanding, propane at home. It's more convenient, and your neighbors won't call the cops for starting a fire in your driveway.
Which is
good tip.
Which is a good point. John on YouTube said, I am not a woodchuck, and I like my food sometime this century, and only propane will do.
Yes, win for propane. All right, Bobby Knotts on YouTube said, I have cooked on both over the years, but my all-time favorite now is propane-powered flat top.
So basically
Nice.
a scuttle.
Basically a scuttle.
You know,
yeah,
it
scuttles
works.
are great.
Staten on YouTube said, propane because I like to eat, not cook.
Take that,
I like,
charcoal.
I like both. I like to cook, so I don't know.
Adam Hart on YouTube said, charcoal equals Flavor Town. Again.
Town.
Propane is for people who think mayonnaise is spicy.
I
Oof.
like that one. I like that one.
Yum yum sauce though.
Jason B. Holler on Instagram said, went to wood pellets and can't ever go back. Convenience of propane, set it and forget it, like Ronco wood-fired oven, smoke flavor for days, everything tastes better cooked on the pellet smoker, which I don't have any experience cooking with pellets, so.
I've eaten a little bit of stuff from a pellet smoker and it was great, although I don't know how you take that overlanding. All right, Kurt Wall on Facebook wrote a song for us, so cue up the music and let's take this away. If you're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but my fuel ain't one. Propane, baby. It's faster than a fat guy dumping his diet in a buffet line.
Yeah. CT, I love you, man, but
Don't quit my day job.
no, don't. Please, I need you to edit videos. I got to give it to Kurt, man. If you're gonna tap into your inner songwriter to make a comment, I think that deserves the got to go bag.
I do. All right, dude. Kurt Wall, you win. Congratulations, dude. All right, so this week, the gloves giveaway. These are leather palmed, mesh back rope gloves.
They come from the same company that does our soft shackles, so they're an arborist company. So these things are legit good rope handling gloves.
They may come in different sizes, so the larges are green, all the other sizes are this gray color. You get to pick your size. All right, so Dean, how do people win?
I want to know, what flavor should green taste like? No, not the gloves. I just meant like in general, like the color green. Like, should it be apple, sour apple? Should it be mint? Should it be lime? Should it be some other flavor? Like, you know, what color should green taste like? Like
I don't know.
that's a thought that's keeping me up at night.
Lime is pretty high for me. Mint is also pretty high for me. Apple, I don't know. Not necessarily my favorite.
Yeah.
You guys let us know in the comments down below. That takes care of next week's giveaway. What do we got coming next on the Instagram, on the YouTube channel? Take it away.
So Thursday, coming up here, we are gonna have our Q&A video on radio. So we're kind of wrapping up the radio series. We went over what you need for a level 1, level 2, level 3 trip, but a lot of people had some questions along the way. So that's what we're gonna do, is do a little bit of Q&A and some installation tips.
So speaking of installation tips, I know you have some experience with this. There's some common pitfalls, some things that can cause some issues. So what's a common one that you know about that people can avoid?
Number one thing when you install a radio is you've got to have clean power. A bad ground or a bad power lead will cause static. And we'll go into a little bit more detail on that in the video on Thursday, but just number one problem, usually I will not start diagnosing a radio problem until I know I've got clean power and a clean ground.
What makes clean power? That means there's not anything else on that same circuit?
Yeah. So basically it's direct to the battery if it on the power side, and on the ground, it's not grounded to anything else, because what a lot of people will do is they'll just grab like a wire from another dash, tap into it,
Gotcha.
and then if you like, LEDs cause all kinds of problems and
Stuff like that.
Yeah, it's just
Cool. More info on that coming this Thursday. I think that's all the fun I've got.
That's all I've got.
We will see you again next week. Same Brog time.
Same Brog channel. Sasquatch out. Instead of gold chains, we have like little microphones. I got 99 problems, but audio ain't one.